Onboard maintenance begins with planning the programme. This involves checking the types of coating required to protect the major areas of the vessel, such as decks, cargo holds, superstructure, engine room and water ballast tanks. From the onboard maintenance chart, check which products are required for the vessel area you're planning to tackle. Copies of the OBM chart should be kept in the paint locker with the vessel's chief officer and ashore in the superintendent's office to ensure the correct system is used for each individual job. A simple coating logbook in the paint locker will also help to avoid the repeated painting of the same area unnecessarily by separate crews. Collect sufficient paint from the stores to cover the area to be coated. Some paints will be single pack, others twin pack, where two components, base and curing agent or converter, must be thoroughly mixed before use. Always check you have the correct combination of base and curing agent for any twin pack product being used. For paint application, you'll need brushes, rollers or spray equipment and sufficient equipment cleaner to clean the tools after use and maintain them in good condition for future jobs. At the start of any painting job, you must consult, read and follow the appropriate can labels, technical data sheets and material safety data sheets. This information provides essential details on the product's characteristics, such as drying time and overcoating times, the required level of personal protection equipment in order to use the product safely, and general health and safety information. If you cannot read the container labels or do not have access to the technical and material safety data sheets, or you do not understand the information contained within the labels and data sheets, do not use the paint concerned. Take all necessary protection measures. Always wear the correct protective equipment. Overalls, mask, goggles, safety boots, gloves and hard hat are an absolute minimum. You should be aware that the weather, and in particular temperature and humidity, have a major effect on paint characteristics. It's extremely important to avoid moisture on the surface to be coated. Clearly, you must not paint over drops of rain or saltwater spray. If painted over, surface moisture may well cause large areas of the paint to flake off or completely detach at a later stage. The technical data sheet has the information you will need on, for example, touch dry, hard dry and overcoating times. In the case of two-pack paints, the working life, or pot life as it's commonly known, must be carefully noted. Once the two components have been mixed, it's vital that the paint is used within the pot life period. If exceeded, the paint cannot be used. Finally, check which equipment cleaner is required. The details are included on the technical data sheet.